Patents alone don't guarantee commercial success. Here's what I did to bridge the critical gap between intellectual property protection and market penetration. I'm a patent lawyer, but I'm one of the few that has actually built companies and raised funds to advance and commercialize products. I had Colorado's largest medical device company exit in 2018, and then I led another company through a series at a $40 million valuation on the strength of the patents that I was able to create for that company. I've also worked with hundreds of product creators and entrepreneurs. So more than almost anyone, I understand the gap between getting a patent and selling a product. First, let's take a look at where the traditional approach to patent strategy by product creators falls short. We know that patents are time-consuming and expensive, with the average pendency time for a pending patent application of about 2 years, and often they can be quite a bit longer. And across the board, almost every product creator in any company, big or small, lacks the legal expertise and the strategic background to be able to develop patent applications and patent portfolios that move the needle relative to a specific product that they're trying to advance. One thing that I can promise you as a patent lawyer is that technical brilliance does not automatically translate to commercial success. So I started thinking, as a patent lawyer working with product creators, how can I fix this? I realized and I learned that innovation needs a lot more than just legal protection. Through experience both as a patent lawyer and as a product launcher, I learned that strong branding drives consumer loyalty and trust. Moreover, I recognize that clear communication is critical for building market presence in association with any products that are being advanced and patented. In the earliest stages of product development, I learned that early development of a brand strategy is critical, and often as critical as building a patent application in order for that product to succeed. And it doesn't matter whether the company is small and built around that one product or a large company. You have to think on a product basis to build the brand strategy in conjunction with the patent strategy. And then through my efforts helping my own companies fundraise and also helping my clients fundraise, I learned that having an integrated approach to product development strategy and patent strategy, and in fact, intellectual property strategy more broadly, having that integrated approach is important for driving investor confidence. These are the reasons I wanted to create a more comprehensive, integrated approach to advance product marketing and branding, investment strategies, and patents together at the same time in an integrated way. So I co-founded Nova Launch Partners to provide a comprehensive and integrated solution for product concept development through product concept commercialization. Our combined offering includes integrated services featuring patenting, branding, and manufacturing, in addition to communication and story development, so that you can more effectively promote your products to consumers and to investors, depending on the type of business that you're working with to launch this product. Our team features myself leading the intellectual property and patent strategy development efforts, along with some of Colorado's top branding and marketing experts, and also some of Colorado's leading communications consultants to help build a story that is compelling for both consumers and for investors as those two audiences apply to the product. We've also built packages for product developers from different companies and at different stages in their product development. For example, a first-time product creator that is building a product in association with an early-stage startup will have very different needs than a larger, more established company looking to launch a product without draining the limited resources of their existing team. So we created different packages for those different use cases, but in all cases, our focus is on linking IP protection strategies with market success. So here's how it works together to synchronize IP development with brand and communication strategies. By creating this cohesive package of patents, trademarks, branding, brand strategy, and then communication strategy, whether you're communicating to investors or to a consumer audience, we're able to create efficiencies that allow us to be more comprehensive and all of these approaches working together. Typically, the first step involves building a patent strategy, or at least an early patent strategy. By taking this step first, we can articulate what the earliest concept for the product is in a technical way, and then translate that to our branding and marketing team, who can take that technical vision and then translate it to a consumer audience to help build a more compelling vision or identity for whatever that product entails. Once we have a clear strategy to represent the product in a marketplace built through a brand and marketing strategy, we can then kick it back to me for the trademark strategy and execute the intellectual property around the source identification of what that product is and add more value into the product, both for consumers and for investors. And then typically once the patent, trademarks, and brand marketing strategies are completed, then we have an expert, incredible communications consultant who takes all of that work that has been done and helps our product creators actually articulate in a compelling way a story directed to either a consumer audience or an investor audience or both. And we actually help our product creators actually develop and refine their pitch to tell that story more effectively. We've been able to measure a compelling impact among our clients through this integrated approach to developing IP, building a brand strategy, and practicing and honing the communication efforts to communicate and articulate what the product is all about. Our clients have told us that they've had higher funding success rates, better consumer acquisition, and stronger market positioning as a result of our efforts to combine these critical aspects of building a product together in a seamless fashion. If you're a product creator, don't let your brilliant innovation get lost in the market. Visit novalaunchpartners.com to contact us to transform your brilliant idea into a thriving business with both IP protection and market success.